Hey guys, welcome back. This is me Sal Mahajan, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how can you integrate Amazon SNS, that is simple notification service, with an S3 bucket. So the objective of this video is basically wherein whenever we upload an object to the S3 bucket, we want an email sent out to ourselves saying that an object has been uploaded to the S3 bucket. So we are going to use Amazon Simple Notification Service for this use case. So what is Amazon Simple Notification Service? Amazon Simple Notification Service is basically pub sub messaging for microservices and serverless applications. Your pub sub is your publisher and subscriber model. That is what Amazon SNS works on. So let's go ahead and create a topic. The reason why we are creating a topic is that so someone can subscribe to our topic so we can publish out messages. So let's go ahead and type in a topic name. Let's type in this is this is my awesome, okay, I can't type, awesome topic. And let's click on next step. And as you can see, this create page has opened. You have two types that you can choose for an SNS. One is FIFO, that is your first in, first out, or you can choose your standard. For this use case, we are basically going to stick to standard. And the reason behind that is because we want to send an email out to the user, and we're going to stick on standard. Again, this is our topic, that this is my awesome topic. We're going to leave the display name empty as that is optional. And again, all of these things are also optional, hence why we will not be touching these. We will be needing to make some modifications to access policy, but we will do this post creation of this SNS topic. So let's go ahead and click on create topic. As you can see, the topic has been successfully created. Do make sure that your type is standard. If by mistake you have created a FIFO type, you can just go ahead and delete this specific topic and what do you say, recreate it using the standard. Now the topic has been successfully created, so we need to subscribe to this topic. So we need an email address that subscribes to this topic. So whenever we publish a message, an email is sent out to that user who has subscribed to this specific topic. So let's go ahead and click on create subscription. When we go to create subscription, it automatically chooses your topic ARN. Let's choose a protocol. You have many protocols over here, but because we are sticking to the email, we're going to choose email. Again, you have two options, email or email JSON. We're going to stick with the plain old email. Endpoint. This is where you basically need to provide an email ID. So I'll be providing an email ID right over here. And as you can see, I provided my email ID. And then do read this info that says that after your subscription is created, you must confirm it. So what Amazon basically does is it will send you out an email saying that, you have subscribed to this topic. Do you confirm? Okay, so that's there. And then we're going to leave everything else optional. And let's click on create subscription. Wonderful. Subscription has been successfully created. Now let me open up my phone and open up this email address. Let's go back and let's see if I've got any email from Amazon. Aha, yes, I've gotten an email from Amazon, but this email has come into spam. I'm not sure why, but it has come into spam saying that you have chosen to subscribe to This Is My Awesome Topic. So I click on confirm subscription. It opens up the page and it says that subscription confirmed. I will take a screenshot of this so you guys can view how does this look like. Perfect. Now what we're basically going to do is, if I go back to subscriptions, you can see that the email has been confirmed for the topic. This is my awesome topic. Wonderful. Now we're going to head back to topics. We're going to choose This Is My Awesome Topic, and we're going to publish a message. So we're basically going to send out an email to the user, to myself, saying that you are subscribed, just to verify that everything works out. So we're going to say, what's a subject? We're going to say a subject as maybe, let's say it as hello. We're going to leave our TTL as empty. We're going to come back to the message body and we can enter a raw message. Let's say hello. And let's go down and click on publish message. When we click on publish message, it has been sent out. And as you can see here, you go in my email. The email has come from Amazon notifications. Again, I will take a screenshot of this so you guys can see how does it look like. Perfect. So now we know that our integration is successful. Now we're going to head over and create an S3 bucket. So I have already created an S3 bucket. You guys can create an S3 bucket too. It's a very basic bucket that you have to create. You just have to give the name of the bucket. We have already created various buckets in the previous video. Just create a basic bucket with all of the default options. That is about it, nothing else. Now what we are basically going to do, once your bucket has been successfully created, we are going to head back to the topic. That is, this is my awesome topic. We're going to come down and we're going to go to access policy. As you can see, there's a default policy over here. What we're going to do is we're going to click on this edit button over here. This opens the edit page. We're going to open up access policy. In access policy, we're going to control A and delete everything. Now, I have the access policy over here copied that we need to put into. I am going to paste this right over here. Again, this access policy will be available in the description box, so you guys can copy it from there. Now, for this access policy, there are a few changes that we do need to make, so do keep an eye out. The number one change is that you require the resource ARN. So you need your topics ARN. So now let's open this is my awesome topic into another web page, and let me copy the ARN from here. As you can see, I just copied the ARN. Coming back to our access policy, I am just replacing this over here. Again, you require your bucket name. I have already created my bucket, but whatever bucket you create, copy the bucket name and let's paste it right over here. And you need your bucket owner ID. Now, where can you find your bucket owner ID is basically on the top right, wherever your name or whatever account you have logged in through. Click on that and you can see account ID right over here. I'm just going to click on the copy button and come back here and I will paste it. Again, guys, please do make sure that you don't blindly copy and paste this access policy because it will not work for you. You do need to make sure that you put in these values over here. Now, let's head down and click on Save Changes. Perfect. And it is saving all the changes. As you can see, changes has been saved. Let's head again back to the Access Policy tab and verify that everything has been set up. Yes, everything has been successfully set up. Now what we're going to do is we're going to head back to our this is my awesome bucket 123 or whatever your bucket's name is. We're going to head over to the Properties tab and we are going to scroll down. When we scroll down, we're going to stop at event notification because we want to send out a notification whenever an event is triggered. And what event are we looking for? We're looking for the put event, that is whenever an object is put or uploaded to our S3 bucket. So let's click on create event notification. It says give an event name. Let's give this event name as put object. Okay, any prefix you want, again this is optional. Any suffix you want, that maybe your file ends with this specific suffix, like maybe .jpeg or whatever, or .pdf, that's there. Now coming to event type, this is where we're basically going to choose. As our use case, we want to do put, we will only be choosing the put option, that is S3 object created put in the object creation area. We're going to leave everything else as empty. We're going to come back down. We're going to say what is our destination. Our destination is an SNS topic that we have just created. You can choose that. Choose from your SNS topic or either enter ARN, whatever you're comfortable with. I am going to just basically choose. So I'm going to say this is my awesome topic and let's click on Save Changes. If everything works out and all the permissions have been set successfully, you will see a message saying successful, created event notification put object. If you get any error that says that there is some permissions are not provided, that is most likely because you have some issues with your access policy and your SNS topic. So do make sure you go back and once verify that your access policy in your SNS topic is perfect. Now what we're going to do is we're going to come back to objects and I want to upload something. So I will basically open my file explorer and maybe Okay, yeah, I got an what do you say, a zip file that I can upload. So I'm gonna click on upload. Once I click on upload, I can basically drag and drop my files and folders here. I'm gonna drag and drop the zip file over here. As we can see, bundle logs something.zip, and I am just gonna upload this specific object. And yo, as we can see, the object has been successfully uploaded. I'm going to click on close, and you can see we have one object. Now, if we have set up everything perfectly, you guys can open up your email address, and you would have gotten an email from Amazon saying that an object has been uploaded. And there you go. I have got an email from Amazon saying that a service from this bucket has been uploaded. And what is it? It says that the event name is object created put. It gives me the principal ID, and it also gives me the name of the object that is uploaded, that is bundle logs dash the number dot zip, and it also gives me the size of this. So again, I will just take a screenshot of this and I will show it to you. You guys will be able to view it on your screen what I'm talking about. And um, this is basically how you can integrate Amazon SNS with your S3 bucket for this specific use case. That is whenever you are putting an object into your S3 bucket. Now, this is just one use case, that is you're putting it. There are a lot of options. Once again, if I head back to the property tags and I come down and I do create a new event notification, as you can see, there are loads of event times. You can do put, you can do post, you can do copy. Maybe if you have deleted something or removed something, you could do that. If any restore operations have been taken place on the object, that can be done. Any ACLs, any tagging, replications, and much, much more. So you guys are more than free to make sure you um, run around, try things out, but do make sure that you are in line with the free tier. Again, for this specific tutorial, if you do follow it and if you do immediately delete all the resources, post you have successfully done everything, you will not be charged anything as of today. But again, if Amazon AWS does make changes to its policy or to its free tier tomorrow, I cannot guarantee anything. So that is something you guys do need to make sure and do check that out, that um, you are fine with maybe getting a very minimum cost, or with zero, that is perfect. So that's about it for this video. I hope you guys did understand how can you integrate Amazon SNS with your S3 bucket to send out email notifications. Again, you can also do this for SMSs, HTTPS, or Lambda operations or whatsoever. So hope you guys did like this video. If you did, please make sure to leave a like, do subscribe, and do comment if there are any specific topics you would like me to cover. Hope you guys have a great day ahead. See ya. Take care. Bye-bye.